Okay, let's create a structured Aij matrix. By the way, this U is redundant. Okay. So let's put the alternatives first. Dion, reputation, and elective courses. Let's put courses and distance, okay? And 9 Eylül University, let's put 9. Another university, University B, University C, and University D, okay? We can denote university another state. C is Fund University, okay? And another one is outside Izmir. Okay? So we need to fill the values in that matrix, like in matrix structure. Let's do it here. Okay, so what's next? Let's create a structured AI shape matrix in another page. Take this one, put into another worksheet, okay? So tuition fee in terms of Turkish lira or in terms of dollars, okay? Let's put US dollars. So reputation, how to measure the reputation?
It's latent constructs. We can put a rank here maybe.
From 1 to 5. 1 is, excuse me, 1 for low reputed, okay? Versus 5 is high reputation. Okay, got it. And courses, availability of courses, 1 is not much. Versus 5 is very much, okay? We can view the availability of the courses from their program published over internet, okay? So distance in terms of kilometers or in terms of minutes to arrive, okay? Using public transportation. Or your decision may be different using your driving car, okay? If you have a car, because this is the subjective decision. It changes according to your preferences, okay? This is your criteria, this is your alternatives, and this is your measurement units. Via kilometer or via minute, okay? In terms of US dollars or in terms of Turkish lira, okay? According to preferences or declaration by the universities, okay? We accept only US dollars, we accept only Turkish lira, okay? And reputation and courses, again, arranged according to your preferences. 1 is low, 5 is high, okay? It can be vice versa, based on your rearrangement, okay? So, how to fill data? Tuition fee, start from the 9 Eylül to outside university. Tuition fee, is there a tuition fee? No, okay? How about the educational expenses in a year? Let's consider that.
Maybe books or additional courses, online resources, maybe paid online resources. These are our educational expenses.
Maybe around 1,000 in a year, okay? 1,000 a year, right? And in terms of US dollars, it will be around 200. Another state university, approximately the same, but we know that education language in Turkish. Okay? So the books are much more cheaper than us. Okay? So it's around 100. Fund universities, tuition is around 5,000. And outside university, which is State University in Istanbul or in Ankara, okay? If it's education language in English, probably in English, okay? It's very close to us. 200, okay? So reputation, our university's reputation between 1 to 5. Where's
Next.
look at the top, consider top universities in Turkey, okay, and worst universities in Turkey, and try to locate 9 Eylül between them, okay? Actually, not 5, and not 1, okay?
Probably 4.
Probably, if you had a chance, okay, you would go to Boğaziçi University. If there's a campus of Boğaziçi University or Middle East University campus in Izmir, probably you would select them, okay? Be honest. So, it's not 5 or it's not 1, okay? So, it's around 3 or 4. What's your score? 3?
4.
Your 4, okay? 4. How about another university, okay, where education language in Turkish? 3 here, and Fund University, there are 2 Fund Universities in Izmir, you know, okay? Choose the university in Bornova. What's the assigned value for reputation? 2. Okay. And outside university, highly reputed, we know, probably 5. Okay. So, availability of courses offered by local university business school program. What do you assign? Which value? 5, between 1 and 5. How about another university, state university? Probably 2 or 3, because we know the program offered there, okay? So, Fund University, similar. They're not offering too much elective courses, we know that, okay? And outside university, near to us, but not exactly the same, okay? Highly reputed, but not offering too much elective courses, we know that, okay? So, it's 3 or 4. And distance to home, distance to your business, okay? If you are either at business or at home, you can reach up to university whenever you wish, okay? If it's very close. So, considering your location, okay, living location or working location, assign a value from 9 University between in terms of minutes or kilometers, how many kilometers to here? Or how many minutes does it take to arrive here?
Around 1 hour. 40 kilometers.
40 kilometers. Okay, let's put 40 kilometers. How about another university? Say, from Balçova to Bornova, around 25 or 30 kilometers. 25. Okay. And Fund University, same, because locations are very close. 25, and outside university, 600. Okay. After new road, 475 for Istanbul, 600 approximately, in terms of kilometer, okay? Let's discard the minute because our decision criterion is based on kilometer, okay? So we assign our subjective values, not objective, okay? Subjective values to the Topsis. So second part is completed now.